Getting money off an Amex gift card can be a bit tricky, but there are several methods to cash out. The balance. The first step is to check the balance on your Amex gift card by visiting the American Express website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Once you know the balance, you can start exploring options to cash it out. One of the simplest ways is to use the card to purchase items you need and then resell them for cash. You can also use the card to buy gift cards from other retailers and then sell those gift cards online. Another option is to use a service like Raise or Cardpool to sell your Amex gift card for cash. These websites allow you to list your gift card for sale and connect with buyers who are looking for discounted gift cards. You can also try selling your gift card on online marketplaces like eBay or Craigslist. If you prefer to get cash directly, you can try using your Amex gift card to pay for a service like money orders or bill payments. Some retailers also offer cash back when you use a gift card to make a purchase. It is essential to note that Amex gift cards have certain terms and conditions that may restrict how you can use the card. For example, some gift cards may have expiration dates or restrictions on where you can use them. Be sure to review the terms and conditions before attempting to cash out your gift card. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with cashing out your gift card. Some services may charge a fee to sell your gift card or to transfer the balance to a different card. Make sure you understand any fees before proceeding. By following these steps and being aware of the terms and conditions, you can successfully get money off your Amex gift card. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and be mindful of any fees associated with cashing out your gift card.